Over the years, I've shared over 500 simple solutions, and many of them have to do with painting, specifically painting neatly. This tip came in from John from Clancy, Montana, and it's how to paint neatly from a can using a paintbrush. The challenge, of course, is if you dip your paintbrush in there, you tend to drip paint in the rim of the can and it runs down the side of the can. So John's idea was to take an extra lid of a paint can and with a pair of snips, cut it in half. And what you end up with is this, a half a lid. So you just take that and tap it onto the paint can. And now, when you dip your paintbrush in there, you can take that excess paint and just strike it off against the edge of the half lid, just like that. And now you can very neatly apply the paint without any drips, runs, or errors.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Type Bond, the pro's advantage.